how to remove your Gmail account from another device. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll guide you on how you can remove your Gmail account from another device. So make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to remove your Gmail account from another device, all you have to do is simply open the Gmail app first. Then once you launch the Gmail app, you want to make sure to log into your appropriate Google account. So for that, tap the profile icon from the top right, then log into your appropriate Gmail account. Then again, tap the profile icon from the top right, then here you'll find manage Google account button. So tap the little Google account button that you see. Once you do that, you're going to be taken to this page where you want to simply scroll to the security tab. And then once you go to security tab, scroll down until you find the option called manage all devices here. So tap on manage all devices. Once you tap on it, you'll be able to see the list of devices that has your Google account logged in. So you can just select either of those Google accounts from the list and then just select either of those devices, tap on it, and then all you need to do is just tap the sign out button and those devices will be successfully signed out. This is how you can remove your Gmail or your Google account from another device. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.